Today's recipe is chicken do pyaza, Indian's famous recipe. To make it, I'm going to take cleaned and chopped chicken pieces. I'm going to mix it with some black pepper powder, grated nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. We have to mix it well and give it some rest. After that, I'm going to take a kadhai and heat it up with some white oil. I'm getting some fried onion rings in the kadhai first to fry them off. This dish is called chicken do pyaza because the onions have been used in two kind of chop techniques. Now I'm going to add some more oil and a dried red chili, 2 bay leaves and chopped onion. We are going to stir it for some time until the onions are a little bit fried and it started changing its color in a little bit golden brown. By the time, on another hand, we are going to prepare the yogurt we are going to use for this dish. For that, we are going to take 4 spoons of yogurt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon cumin seed powder and mix it well with a little bit of water. The paste is going to look very creamy and rich in color. After that, we are going to add some tomatoes when the onions start turning its color into golden brown. Adding the ginger garlic paste and mixing it well for some time. After the ginger garlic paste is cooked and it is really giving a good smell, we are going to add the prepared yogurt mixture and stir it for some time until it's mixed with all the other ingredients in the kadhai. You can see how thick, creamy and rich it is. After some time, you can see the yogurt mixture has become thick and has been mixed with all the other ingredients in the kadhai. After the gravy starts releasing oil within it, we are going to add the marinated chicken we have prepared before and stir it well until the chickens are all covered in the mixture. Stir continuously, don't let the mixture stick to the kadhai. It will really give a very bad smell. We are going to add some salt as per taste. After stirring for some time, you will notice that the chickens are already cooked. After making sure the chickens are cooked well, we are going to add some hot water in the kadhai for some gravy. After the gravy is thick and the cooking is almost done, we are going to add the fried onion rings and serve it after 5 minutes. It was really tasty and interesting in the looks. You can try it at home. It really have too much easy process and a very unique taste. I am going to use honey instead of sugar because it is healthy. So till the next video, everyone, be healthy and safe. Bye bye for today. Enjoy and We will be back with another video. I served with this tomato flour that I made with my own hands. It is really easy. I will share the process with you all again later. I served with some coriander leaves also. So it looks a little bit good. Bye for today. Everyone be safe. Bye.